Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We got lots to talk about. Looks like we got some huge whales just transferred a whole bunch of Dogecoin, about $29 million worth of Dogecoin. And looks like, one of the lead developers has quit, guys, has quit. We're going to talk about that, so you're going to have to watch that to the end to find out which developer has quit, guys. So this is kind of cool news in the house, guys. Well, not cool if you're the developer and you just quit, and if you're the project. So we're going to talk about that. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing the opinion. I'm absolutely not a licensed financial advisor. And we got Dino here, so you know what that means. It's a green day. The alien's not here. He's fixing his spaceship, guys, because he's thinking about going to Mars, guys. I got the notice. I got the notice when he says, look, OG, I'm thinking about going to Mars. I got to do some repairs on my spaceship, so I'm going to Mars. So we'll probably see him back tomorrow, guys, because it's just a quick trip. And it's a great time to be alive. So, hey, if you look at the pre-markets right now, the pre-markets are looking pretty naughty in the house right now. And I mean, it's not down a lot. It's just ever so much slightly down. So right now we don't know if we're going to be going green or going red. Right now, as of time recording, the pre-markets are absolutely red. And we had the Jeremy Powell in the house. He basically said that the Federal Reserve, they're going to be increasing the rates to 0.25 basis points. It looks like we could have seven rises for the whole year coming, and then all the mainstream banks right now are preparing to increase the rate. So if you're going to get a loan, a car loan, a mortgage, whatever, it's going to absolutely cost you more in the house, guys. So that is coming. That's absolutely coming as well. So that, overall, I think a lot of people are glad. A lot of the broader markets are glad that finally the announcement has come, yada, yada, yada. And hopefully we can get back to normalcy. Yesterday, the broader markets did pretty good yesterday. So that is cool beans. So if you look at the daily on-chain exchange flow, hey, I forgot to mention, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, don't forget to comment, give super chats in the house, guys. So we're seeing that the daily on-chain flow is also looking pretty good. We have about $414 million worth of Bitcoin went off exchanges and went into private hands, your hands, my hands. So that is pretty good. We also see Ethereum as well. Net flow is out as well. And then we saw the net flow of Tether onto exchanges went up. So that means that people are moving $900, almost $1 million went onto exchanges because we want to buy more Bitcoin, buy more Ethereum. So that is pretty bullish news, guys. So keep in mind, keep watching. We got the developer that quit. We got the Dogecoin news as well. So if you look at the top 10 mentioned coins right now, top 10 mentioned coins are Bitcoin, XRP, Polymath, Poly in the house, Cardano, Solana, Shiba Inu, Litecoin, Digibyte in the house, and Dogecoin. That scares me every time I hear that, guys. So in terms of fear and greed right now, we've basically, fear and greed is looking pretty good right now. If this momentum continues, we should be seeing fear and greed should be around about 30 by tomorrow. So it's looking pretty good from that perspective. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator. Always do the opposite of this. So if it's in extreme fear, you should be buying. And when it's in extreme greed, you should be selling. So that's kind of an indicator in the house, guys. That's absolutely huge beans enough. Also, just to kind of prove the point, drive the point home, we're seeing that the amount of Bitcoin last move more than 10 years ago just hit 2.4 million coins. It's likely most of these coins are lost forever. As Satoshi said, lost coins only make everyone else's coins worth slightly more. So it looks like that we have about 2.4 million Bitcoins that have been lost forever, guys. So that's kind of cool. I'd love to find those lost Bitcoins. So if you'd love to find those lost Bitcoins, please smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, and show some love in the house. We all need love, guys. Absolutely, we need love, guys. So let's take a look at the Biddy right now. The Biddy price is at 40,704. So Bitcoin has been holding most of the day today. So that's pretty good. So hopefully we can hold the 40,000 level. So that's going to be pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited. So we've been holding here for a long time. We're seeing right now that Biddy is at 40,000. It's still in my horizontal support between 38 and 42,000. And if we can make a move above 42,000, then that will push us up into the next horizontal support between 46,000 and 50,000. So that's what we need to do. And we're seeing that Biddy is looking pretty more bullish right now. And crypto in general is looking pretty good. We can see that the total market cap right now for cryptocurrency is also up. It's up 1.84 trillion. So that is good. The volumes are also doing pretty good too at 57 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance is also too high for my liking. We're seeing most of the liquidity is in Bitcoin, and that's why the altcoins are not pumping like they should be, even when we get these small pumps to the upside, guys, so from that perspective. So if we look at the total wreckage in the house right now, we're seeing $128 million worth of leverage apes in the house. They got wrecked, they got out of there, and that's about 39,000 traders got liquidated. And we're seeing that in the last 24 hours, it's about 67% of it is shorts. So the market makers, you can see that the number of shorts are actually coming down relative to the long positions. Let's just take a look at what's going on in the last 4 hours. So right now the shorts and the longs are about 50%. So keep an eye on that. When the longs start to build up larger positions in the shorts, then that will push a Bitcoin down. So keep an eye on that, guy. Absolutely keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at the informatics for Doge. We've got the big Dogecoin news. We also got the big developer news in the house, guys and gals. So stay tuned. Buckle up for that, guys. So we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is up 1.79%. It's at 11.6. 55% of the Dogecoin holds are in the money. 44% are out. It's looking mostly bearish right now. So it's okay. It is what it is, guys and gals. So Dogecoin whale moves 29 million for 11 cents in fees. Wow. Amazing. So this just proves the point that the Dogecoin fees are super cheap. Can you imagine moves $29 million worth of Doge and it only costs 11 cents? Guys, could you imagine if you move $29 million from a traditional bank and fiat? The fees would be crazy, guys. So that is pretty cool beans, guys. So we're seeing that a Dogecoin whale has moved 29.6 million worth of Dogecoin of the meme-inspired Doge for a fee of 11 cents, guys. So at a cost of the whale of one Doge, so it's about one Dogecoin to move 11. The funds were moved across a series of transactions, but did not appear to have been sent to an exchange. So that is pretty good. According to the data, Dogecoin Block Explorer, the whale moved their funds several times afterwards, and they are now parked as a previously unknown address. So it looks like they're just moving around, redistributing the Dogecoin. So they didn't sell it. They absolutely didn't sell it. They didn't move to an exchange. So that is pretty cool beans in house. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin price. So Dogecoin finally is above our 1150. So it's going uppity up, and our next resistance level is around about 12 cents in the house, and that's pretty light resistance. So it's not a big deal in terms of resistance level. We should be able to get up there pretty soon. We came gingerly close earlier today. Today we had a high of around about 11.96. Just went up to 12 cents, got rejected, and it looks like we're going to attempt to move up there. So that is pretty good news in the house. So some news coming in. Looks like we have a huge developer, XRP developer leaves, and the reason that he leaves, Matt Hamilton, Ripple's director of development relations, has left the company according to his recent blog post. And Hamilton says it was a tough year for him personally due to his wife's mental health issues. So basically, he's stepping down from the XRP due to family issues and health issues. So that's it. It's stepping down, guys. So hopefully that if Ripple wins the SEC case, that's going to be huge for cryptocurrency, and that is going to move things up. Some other news that's coming in. Looks like Ethereum is moving closer and closer right now to the proof of stake after the Kilum has been tested, and it's now on the testnet. So a lot of developers are testing their apps and dApps on that. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. So that's pretty good. As we get closer and closer to this Kilum out there, the how do you pronounce that? Kim. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's just KLM. And that's part of the whole merge. Once that happens, we're going to start to see Ethereum start to move, guys. So during Ethereum's trial merge on the KLM testnet, one of the clients, Prism, has an issue in block proposal, but the error was eventually resolved, which led to a successful merge. So that's pretty good. And the Kilum follows. It's the Kintsugi merge testnet, which will be phased out in the coming weeks. So it looks like everything is on track for this Ethereum 2.0. We'd love to get a date. I'd love to get a date for that. We'd also love to get a date when we're going to see the Ethereum Doge bridge in the house too. We'd love to see that date, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So Ethereum right now is broken above my white descending line, guys, and that's pretty good in the house. And Ethereum is now trading at 27.68. So hopefully we can continue on, and then our next resistance level is 3,000. 40,000 in the house. Then follow that, we're seeing that Solana is doing pretty good. It's now at $87. It's broken above. It's well above my $80 line. And then our next resistance level is around about $94 an ounce. So hopefully we can get above that. That would be really cool in beans in the house. But Solana is looking pretty good. It's coming back, guys. If you take a look at Phantom as well, Phantom is at $1.23, and you know it has bounced off our support line of $1.02. So we came pretty close to going sub $1, but we managed to be able to maintain that. So that's really good. And our next level of resistance for Phantom in the house is around about here, guys and gals, and that's about the $1.36, and followed by a $1.76 level. So that is cool beans. Hopefully we can get ourselves back up to $2 pretty soon, guys. I think we're going to be able to do that. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. The coins in the house. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is up 0.55%. It's at 40,639. We're seeing that Ethereum is up as well, and it's at 2768, and that's up 3.44%. We're seeing that BNB is up 1.5%. It's at $382. We're seeing XRP is still up. You know, with the developer leaving, I thought that XRP was going to go down, down, but it didn't. So that is looking pretty good. And Solana is up 3.8%. We're seeing Cardano is up. Avalanche is up 11.44%. And that's because Avalanche version 3 just launched. And that's going to have, multifaceted access to different chains. So that's going to be good. So the interoperability between Avalanche and other chains just increased because of version 3.0, giving it more utility. And that is cool news for that. So we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is also at 2.56% uppity up. And that's at 11.67. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is at 20, ton of zeros, and 22 is at 2.21 cents. And we're seeing Matic is also up at 3.54%. So that is looking pretty good in the house, guys. So with that being said, guys and gals, do go and follow me on my Twitter. We've got 4,134 followers. This is just a short video, guys. Just a short video out there. My son's not feeling so good, so I got to spend more time to take care of him. So, guys, follow me, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe me like never before, and don't forget to give super chats, guys, and you got to comment. Please do comment, guys, and tell me, when do you think Bitcoin is going to get to $100,000? Is it going to be this summer? Could be this summer. And don't forget to check out the Linky Winks, guys. Check the links. The links are way over there, guys. Go get a member. None of this is financial advice. Buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member. The link is right there. And also go to OpenSea.io. It's right over there. It's right over there, guys. Can you see it? King. And go and smash the likes over there and hit that, guys. We've got a lot of NFTs and stuff like that. I'm losing my words out here. I'm losing my words. Don't forget to go on over to the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel, and don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the backpack, get the pillow willow. We even got socks, so if you're getting cold feet in crypto, we got socks, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Just want to say God bless you. This is just a quickie update for you guys. So things are still looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty bullish. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo! God bless.